Hey guys, we received this BoxLegend V3 shirt folder board for test and try. Is a t-shirt clothes folder or the folding board, durable laundry sorter or the helper liner. So this is the black color one. So let me just open and show it to you. So this one is around 27.56 inches and comes with this storage bag. So this is pretty cool. You can take it anywhere. So the total length is around 27.56 versus 22.4 inches in the width. And this is how you will fold the shirt. So I will show that to you. The storage bag is always helpful. So this is how you will just fold a t-shirt. The process is also provided here. So we can just put in the shirt and one by one we put on the both sides. This is pretty learning thing for the kids as they can easily fold their t-shirts. See, like it's a perfect folding thing and really nice. Then you can just pack it in this in the pouch and then you can take it anywhere with you. So nice overall.